Are you tired of your videos not getting high visibility due to low impression? Stick around because I have decoded the secret of making your video to get high impression, and I'll be reviewing it in this video. This video gave me 2.1k impression, while this gave me 7.5k impression, and this gave me 3.8k impression. And alongside, some of my video also gave me 221 impression, others gave me 747, and I had one 222 impression. Then I became worried. Why is it that some of my video are having high impression, others are having low impression? So I became curious and I started making my research. But before I show you what exactly is the cause, impression is just the number of times your video appears on YouTube. Now let's take a look at this particular video I'm about to show you. This video has 7.5k impression, and I posted a video long ago, so I'll click on the impression and let's see how the top of our impression. Now you see that this video has 7.5k impression, and 5.6k impression comes from browser features, 1.4k impression comes from channel page, and 273 from suggested, while YouTube search is 64 and playlist is 55. Like I said, the impression is the number of times your video appears to someone's whole screen on YouTube. If your videos are not showing up, definitely you'll be having low views. High impression implies you're going to be having high views. But before then, let's go back to our analytics. Let me show you why you've been having low impression. So I'll click on my analytics under my YouTube Studio. I'm using the YouTube Studio apps. So I'll click on analytics, and then when I click on my analytics, I'll click on trend. You can see I'm on the trend section now, and on trend you see that we have some recent videos suggested by the algorithm. First of all, we have top searches. Here you see tech YouTube channel earnings, and when I scroll to the right, you see how to monetize YouTube channel, and then another again you see how to monetize YouTube channel. So these are the top searches in my trend. Then when we come under here, you see recent videos. Windows 11 do this now. You see addition and coding, and then you see something quite different. Charlie Kept. This is about motivations. Now this channel is meet up, and you see that while some talks about how to grow your YouTube channel and tech, others are talking about motivation. What the algorithm shows up on this trend is determined from what you've been posting. Like when you create a new video and you post your first to three videos, the algorithm first of all doesn't know what your channel is all about. But after like 7 to 14 days, the algorithm will be able to judge from the video you've posted earlier, like your first three videos. The algorithm to be able to judge that, oh, this is what your channel is all about, and then the algorithm will now come and start recommending videos and suggestions based on what you've been posting. Here is where it gets crazy, and why you should be the one to direct the algorithm on what your channel is all about, and how you can use this strategy to increase your impression click-through rate. Now, some of you, when you create a YouTube channel, you start posting random videos depending on what you love doing. That is a wrong strategy. Your first three videos actually tells the algorithm what your channel is all about. Now that the algorithm has perceived your channel, what you simply need to do is to create videos around that your first 3 videos you posted earlier that the algorithm has known your channel for. So it will be very easy for the algorithm to distribute your video to the right audience. Like this particular channel is a meetup channel where you have motivation. So the algorithm is still trying to find out whether this channel is purely motivation or purely about how to grow your YouTube channel. Now let me show you one of my channel that is quite different, so you will understand what I'm talking about better. Now I have this particular channel, is a motivational channel, and when I click on the analytics and I click on trend, you see that all the videos suggested here, they are all motivation, and you see that this channel has been doing well because I post purely motivation. But in the previous channel I show you, I mixed it up. So whenever I post something about motivation in this my previous channel, it will not do well. But whenever I post something about YouTube, it will perform very well. But in this particular channel I'm currently showing you, this one that you have reality, as we know, it will change. That one, once I post something related to motivation, it performs very well because everything on that channel is purely revolving around motivation. Now let me show you another channel, because I test this with about 2 to 3 channels to be sure that this is actually working. Now when I click on analytics and I click on trend, you notice that here you see everything you see is about animal. You don't see it mixed up like the first channel. Everything you see here is about animal because the algorithm has perceived my channel that this particular channel is about animal story. So if I want to do well, if I want to increase the impression of this channel, I'll keep posting about animal. So some of you that you start how to grow a YouTube channel, you start a particular niche and you start mixing up with different kind of video, you are going to be giving problem to the algorithm, because the algorithm wouldn't know who to suggest that particular video and your video will be dumped. So the right strategy for you to increase your impression is by posting similar video consistently. Like let's say you create a video on how to grow your YouTube channel and your first 3 videos about YouTube. All you need to simply post is how to grow your YouTube channel, how to monetize your YouTube channel faster, and you keep revolving around that particular area. Just be revolving around it, and definitely it won't stress the algorithm. The algorithm will keep recommending your video. But when you've grown your audience to a certain level and you are starting that you have a big active and loyal fan base, you can now post whatever you want to post. Definitely your audience will click and watch, and the algorithm will distribute your video through the influence of your active audience. You know, it is the audience that actually determine whether the algorithm will distribute it or not. So if you have a channel and you are talking about how to grow your YouTube channel and you are mixing it up with other things, the audience will likely not be interested and the algorithm won't recommend your video. Now let me show you one last thing about this particular channel that is suffering. Now this my channel, you see that it's not getting much view. The reason is that I monetize this channel using tricks, and I already explained it in my previous video. So when I monetize this particular channel, it was just having 1 video, and that was a motivational video. So I started rebranding this particular channel and changing its course to how to grow your YouTube, and I turned it to my personal channel. So now the algorithm find it difficult to recommend videos in this particular channel because I'm rebranding the channel. It's going to take the algorithm time to fully understand what the channel is all about. That is why you see that some of the videos I posted in this channel are getting low views, but with time I'll be able to overcome that. Then another thing I did was that in order to boost my authenticity and ranking on YouTube, I needed to flood this channel with videos. So I started creating videos just to make sure that there are a lot of videos in this channel, because I know that a time will come, if YouTube notices that there are no more videos in this channel, it will get demonetized. So I started bombarding the channel with any kind of videos just to make sure that the channel is saturated. And now that the channel is saturated, I'm focusing on how to grow your YouTube channel so that the impression keep rising. So that's just the secret most of you don't know. Focus on a particular kind of content, especially the first three content you uploaded on your YouTube channel, and definitely the algorithm will be recommending your video and you start having high impression. If you've learned something from this video, do give this video a thumbs up, comment what you think and where you are watching from. Thanks for watching to this very moment. To my active and loyal fan base, I really do appreciate you guys. I love you all. Thanks for supporting me. Have a lovely day.